How many hours have you wasted this year doing boring, repetitive tasks? 100? 500? Try over 1,000. But what if you could get all that time back with just a few clicks? In this video, we're revealing 5 brand new AI tools in 2025 that are so powerful that if you're not using them, you're probably lagging behind. These aren't your average ChatGPT clones. These are time-saving, brain-boosting, money-making machines. And trust me, the last one, it's a total game changer. So, let's dive in. Imagine if your notes could speak and you have the option to talk with your notes directly rather than having to dig through each page to find what's written in them. Wouldn't it be cool? It's like having a personal AI researcher. That's what Notebook LM does. Just go to the tool and directly upload your PDFs, docs, or even lecture notes. Say you're analyzing the annual report of a company and need information on upcoming quarter in company's commentary. Instead of digging through series of pages, you just ask Notebook LM, what is the management's vision on upcoming quarter or year mentioned in this document? Boom! Instant summary. It's like having a librarian, a tutor, and a search engine rolled into one. Total time saver. This tools is a great find for someone working as an analyst, researchers, students, or anyone who needs to go through documents to find information contained in them. Ever had a $1 million idea, but no clue how to explain it clearly? Our next tool in the list, Napkin AI, is your new thinking buddy that turns messy thoughts into clean, visual explanations. It's a brilliant tool to create infographics, and that too for free. So if you're a visual thinker, a teacher, a founder, or just someone who loves clarity, Napkin is your secret weapon. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to turn your next big idea into something everyone can understand. Simply go to Napkin AI, create an account, and create a blank document and write down all the information which you want to convert into an infographic. Select the text and choose from a range designs the tool has to offer. You can also customize for the color, text, font, and other details. Download the graphic and it's ready to use. It saves a lot of time and money, which otherwise you would have needed some professional or some graphic designer to create these graphics for you. Okay, our next tool is another gem from Google. The company is now really stepping up its game in AI. How many times have you faced a scenario where you're working on a task or on an application and get stuck with something? You don't have anyone nearby to ask and spend hours figuring out how to do that. Well, not anymore. All you have to do is go Google Studio, click on Stream, and then you can directly share your screen and ask the question verbally. Or you can just type the question that you want an answer for, and it will assist you with the steps to be followed. Take a look at this example.
First, open your Excel workbook and select the data you want to include in your pie chart. Then go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Charts group, you'll see a pie chart icon. Click on that and choose the type of pie chart you want to create. Excel will then generate the chart for you.
Just follow the steps it shares with you, and that's it. You will be done with the task in hand. Isn't it so cool? It's like having your personal problem solver available 24/7 to guide you, and that too for free. Still spending hours building PowerPoint decks? That's so 2005. Welcome to 2025, where tools like Gamma AI helps you create professional-looking slides in just minutes, whether it's for a client pitch, office report, or school project. Gamma is your AI-powered presentation partner that turns simple prompts into stunning, ready-to-share decks. Let me show you how easy it is. Just log in, type something like pitch deck for eco-friendly water bottles, and it will first create an outline for you, which you can review and make changes if needed. Then you need to just select a theme and that's it. Gamma generates a full, polished presentation with design, layout, and even talking points. So next time you're pitching investors or trying to wow your boss, skip the late nights. Use Gamma and look like a pro. Let it do the heavy lifting for you. Our last tool on the list will give you a glimpse of the future of what AI will look like. Introducing Manus AI, the world's first truly autonomous agent AI. This isn't just another chatbot, it's your digital coworker that can plan, decide, and execute tasks all on its own. It uses multiple AI agents like Claude and Quen working together in real time. It can browse the web, write code, summarize documents, run Linux commands in a sandbox, and even perform workflow automation. Suppose I give it a prompt to plan a 3-day budget-friendly trip to Dubai from New York with itinerary, travel, hotel, and cost breakdown under $10,000. You will be able to see what the tool is thinking live along with resources it is exploring on Manus' computer at the right side screen. You can even see it taking decisions on your behalf to complete the task in hand. It takes 5-10 minutes to complete the task, but it will do all the search by itself and will create a final plan for you. Fast forward, here's the plan it has created for you. And you can see, download it. That is simply mind-blowing. Here's a short comparison of ChatGPT with Manus. If you do this demo in ChatGPT, it will look like a smart assistant. You will need to prompt and guide it for every step. With Manus AI, it will look like a digital travel agent working live, which is far more impressive and futuristic. If even one of these tools made you go, "Whoa, I need that!" do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which tool you're most excited to try. See you guys in the next video.